International energy company Shell is constantly seeking creative ways to optimize their operations and empower employees to drive performance and improvement. Shell's citizen development program, called Do It Yourself, or DIY for short, harnesses the potential of Power Platform to accelerate the company's digital transformation. With Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI, DIY empowers over 4,000 employees across the entire organization to create innovative business solutions by upskilling and developing low-code applications and automation that adhere to Shell's guidelines and risk management standards. The DIY program revolutionizes application development at Shell and establishes the company among leaders in low-code technologies. DIY enables citizen developers to tackle various challenges, such as enhancing customer and employee experiences, automating manual processes to drive efficiencies, and visualizing data, drawing new insights to support decision-making. An example solution applies the text recognition capability of AI Builder to automatically extract lab results from scanned hard copy documents or from documents not in the required format. Additionally, the finance operations team uses Power Platform to help automate a daily influx of 8,000 invoices, saving both time and money. Head of Citizen Development, Paul Kobolansky, reflected on DIY's impact. As we look to prioritize and focus our IT resources towards our most strategic programs, DIY empowers our businesses to deliver value that IT cannot always get to, creating organizational agility. As Shell matures DIY across its company, they look forward to exploring and harnessing new AI features to make further productivity gains and unlock more value. Check out the full Power Platform customer story.